Hey guys, what's up? Mark Rashad here coming to you from Southern California. I want to welcome you to my video review of Members Kit. Members Kit is a cloud-based drag and drop membership site builder. There are thousands of people making thousands of dollars in profits by building their own membership sites. But as you know, building a membership site sometimes can be very challenging, sometimes very difficult. Well, the creators of Members Kit have designed a drag and drop membership site creator, making it easy for anyone to build a membership site. And these membership sites can be built around your favorite hobby or any other special interest that you may have. But here's the key. Don't worry about it if you don't have a hobby or any special interest, because with Members Kit, it comes with 4 video training niches already built in, done for you video training in 4 different niches that are already built into the Members Kit for you. So if you don't have a hobby or personal interest, you don't have to worry about that. You can be up and running in minutes with the built-in content that's already included in Members Kit. Okay? Like I said again, Members Kit is helping thousands of people make thousands of dollars in profits by making it more simpler for people to build membership sites and profit from them. Here we're on the sales page for Members Kit. As you can see here, people just like you are turning their passions into thousands of dollars in profits. In the next 60 seconds, we'll show you how to get paid thousands of dollars by doing things you already love. On the sales page for Members Kit, you will encounter a short introduction and demo video as soon as you get to the sales page. And you get to this sales page by coming through my bonus page. When you click on the link below this video in the description, it will bring you here to my bonus page, where I'll be offering additional bonuses to you if you do purchase the Members Kit. Now, with the Members Kit, you get paid monthly just by sharing your interests with others. And like I said before, if you don't have a hobby, no problem. They're going to give you premium video training in 4 popular niches you can sell as your own to get you up and running fast. You can effortlessly create stunning recurring income sites in 5 to 10 minutes flat with no previous experience. Like I said, no technical skills required, and you'll be tapping into a $275 billion market of unlimited buyers and growing. You can get access on the sales page to Members Kit by clicking on any of the yellow buttons that you see on the sales page here. Like I said, it's an easy 3-step process to set up your Members Kit, membership site creator. First step would be to log into the cloud-based software and set up your recurring income sites, whether that be built around your own content or the done-for-you video content, or both, a combination of both. Step 2, effortlessly add either your own content, as said before, or include the video trainings, or a combination of both contents, your own and the done-for-you content. And step 3, just sit back and collect monthly recurring income, all on autopilot. Like I said, it's a $275 global e-market business. They even have a single JB Zoo member who averages $185,000 per month from his membership sites. Per month. That's not per year, per month. According to Subscription Economy Index, subscription-based businesses are growing revenue 9 times faster than the S&P 500. You have testimonials here on the sales page. Here's one from David Delahunty's 5 Ideas a Day community. He's charging $4.99 per month to deliver daily tips and his thriving membership. He's turned his hobby into new recurring income. You also have others. You have artist Robert Joyner, who's teaching tutorials, video tutorials and motivational projects, and giving feedback on projects to his members for $39 a month. Is making a substantial extra income based on what he already does for a living. Then you have Becky. Becky shares tips from business experts and offers weekly Q&As, and she's making $25 per month from every member on their membership site. Okay. Income proof. This is income proof from Brett and Mike from Maine. As you can see here, 30-day forecast, over $9,000, 60-day forecast, 18,000, and so on. 180 days, over 57,000, and over the last year, almost $115,000 made from membership sites. Here are Brett Rutecki here and Mike from Maine. These guys are the creator of Members Kit. They were looking for a simple and easy way to create membership sites after trying before and trying to do it on their own. And they found out how difficult it was and how time consuming it was. But here are the reasons why they created Members Kit. Okay, they wanted to let anyone set up a full featured membership site. Okay, to be able to be set up within minutes and have zero tech skills. They also want to provide included hosting. Okay, so you don't have to have the hassle of transferring sites to separate hosting accounts. They also have built-in list building tools, a drop and drag editor to create your sales pages. They wanted to make it point-click simple to add content and create new pages. They also allow users to drip feed and schedule new content for dynamic experience for each member. Okay, it took months of development to build this program, this platform, Members Kit, and they started out just like anybody else. Mike and Brett started out with building free membership sites for list building, and they did that, and they made a few $100s in less than a week, and then they potentially moved on. They moved on to paid membership sites. Okay, and that was the next phase. And as they stayed here, within the just 4 days, they generated just under $2,600. Okay, just in 4 days with membership sites. Okay, well, we're introducing you to Members Kit. You will be able to build your own membership sites through a drop and drag process. No HTML needs to be known, no coding, no language, no technical skills whatsoever. Let's see here. We also have another demo video for you here that you can watch here on the sales page. Okay, showing you how easy it is to set up member sites on Members Kit. Like again, to say you can access Members Kit on through any one of the yellow buttons on the sales page here. Also, you will receive bonuses from Mike and Brett. Okay, the bonuses that you'll receive from Mike and Brett in Members Kit. Bonus number 1, done for you membership site content. We talked about those 4 niches earlier. Those 4 niches are already built into the Members Kit for you if you don't have a hobby or a special interest. Feel free to pause this video if you want to read the description of the bonuses and see what all you get. But we're going to keep this moving. Bonus number 2 from Brett and Mike from Maine. They're going to have a built-in autoresponder. You'll be able to send unlimited messages to unlimited subscribers. Bonus number 3, Profit Canvas, drop and drag sales page builder. And bonus number 4, you'll get a WordPress embed, and you can easily add your memberships to your WordPress sites. For instance, if you have other websites that are built with WordPress, or if you have a blog, you'll be able to plug Members Kit into those particular WordPress sites and leverage the traffic from those websites. Okay, you will be able to access Members Kit by clicking on the link in the description below this video, which will take you here to my Mark's Crazy bonus bundle page, where you'll receive 5 other free bonuses from me, exclusively from me to you. No one else will be giving you these bonuses. More than likely, you'll probably just be receiving the bonuses that Brett and Mike from Maine offer on the sales page here. Most marketers will only be offering you those bonuses, but I'm going to be throwing in 5 more bonuses free to you and only you, exclusively through this bonus page. Okay, those 5 bonuses. Bonus number 1, understanding YouTube ads. Now, basically, these bonuses that I'm going to be giving you are geared towards driving more traffic to your membership sites or whatever other websites you may have. Okay? Bonus number 1, understanding YouTube ads. Discover how to dominate your niche with ease using YouTube ads. Like I said again, feel free to pause to be able to read and see what all you get with these bonuses. You'll be able to access these bonuses through the yellow links, buttons on the bonus page here. Click here to get your members kit and your bonuses. Those being the 4 bonuses that Mike and Brett are offering, plus the 5 bonuses that I'm throwing in on top of that for you. All for free. The next bonus number 2, be a webinar king. Add webinars to your member site business to grow your business and grow your profits. Bonus number 3, Pin. It's an automation traffic tool built for Pinterest, which is a very overlooked social media free traffic platform. And this tool, Pin, will put your traffic generation on full autopilot, full automation. Bonus number 4, Link Supercharger software, the powerful solution to generate more traffic, brand your domains, and maximize your commissions. Traffic is the key. And bonus number 5, last but not least, Google Display Network hacks. Learn how to drastically increase your traffic with Google Display Network. And like again, I say you can access the members kit and your bonuses by clicking on any one of the yellow links here on the bonus page, which you'll get to once you click the link in the description. It will bring you here to the bonus page. Okay. And by clicking any of the yellow links on this bonus page, you'll be able to get access to the sales page and be able to purchase the members kit, the drag and drop membership site creator, and you'll have access to the 4 bonuses from Mike from Maine and Brett Uteki. Like I said, done for you membership site content. Bonus number 1, our built-in autoresponder sending unlimited messages to unlimited subscribers. Bonus number 3, Profit Canvas drag and drop sales page builder, and WordPress embed to easily add to your memberships to your WordPress websites. Again, click the link in the description. It will bring you here to my bonus page where you'll be able to get the other 5 bonuses that I am providing to you. When you purchase your members kit, you'll be able to purchase that by clicking the yellow button here, and you'll also get your bonuses. When you get access to your members kit, whether it be Warrior Plus or whether it be JV Zoo, when you gain access to your members kit platform, there will be a blue button in Warrior Plus that will say Access Affiliate Bonuses. You'll be able to get the bonuses that I provide to you, these 5 bonuses that I introduced you to. In JV Zoo, there will also be a blue button as you get access to the product. It will say Bonuses from Mark, all provided to you 100% free in your back office when you access your members kit by clicking on any of the yellow buttons that you see on this bonus page when you click the link in the description below this video. You'll get Google Display Network hacks. You'll get Link Supercharger software. You'll get Pin automation software, traffic automation software. You'll also get Be a Webinar King. And last but not least, you'll get Understanding YouTube Ads. I want to thank you for tuning into my video review of Members Kit. Be sure to click on the yellow button to get your Members Kit and your free bonuses from Mike from Maine and Brett, and also the 5 bonuses that are included from me, free to you 100% in your back office. Okay? Again, thanks for watching my review video on Members Kit, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care.